what it looks like underneath the gas pump. So, got these two big gas pumps, or three big gas pumps on here, and a big fridge, big stainless steel fridge. I picked up these gas pumps last night. My buddy got this fridge from McDonald's. There's 5 gas pumps there, and we got 3 on, and then the winch completely died, so I had to bring my backup battery. And figured I'd just go drop these off first at the scrapyard, and then I'm gonna go back and grab the last 2 gas pumps. There's 1 gas pump and 1 diesel pump. The 1 diesel pump is still standing up, like in its original position, so I can grab that. It's gonna be interesting because I'm gonna have to push it over. Things are pretty heavy, so there's no way I can lay it down by myself, so I'm gonna have to just push it over and then winch it in. So I'm gonna have to try to do it by myself. Mainly pulled over to double check these straps. This looks good. Yeah, that was a little bit loose. Definitely a good thing I stopped to check. Just a lot of bouncing, so bouncing around like crazy. Alright, it looks good. Got a couple things in here as well. I'm just gonna throw out at the same time. Gonna have to get them to get the crane or some sort of machine to try to lift these out of there for me, because there's no way I can drag them out by myself. Even 2 people couldn't drag that out. So I'll update you in a little bit once I get there. I'll try to get a video while I'm inside the scrapyard of them unloading it, but I might not be able to. If not, I'll update you when I get back to the old gas station where I'm getting these pumps from. Big bump there. Just pulling up to the gas station now. Looks like somebody's blocking where I need to be to get this pump. There's that 1 pump right there that's standing up still. And there's 1 in the back here. I'm gonna have to look and see if I can manage to reach it. No. A bunch of cars here. 1 white car is in the way. The pump's right behind it. So I might be able to start with this 1 in the front, or I might have to try to find the car guys. There's like a car dealership next door, so I'm assuming they're the ones that parked the car there. I'm gonna have to call a buddy who sent me here, ask him if I should go over next door and ask him to move it or what. Leave the truck here for a minute, I guess. Go ahead and go check out that 1 that's standing. The guy told me it's just standing there, it's not attached. So I could better just push it over. He said that there's a little hole underneath it, that's why those boxes are there. so he just asked me to put this one over the hole once I move this pump, but it's definitely a safety hazard if this thing's just sitting here. It is bottom heavy, but looks like there's just 4 bolts holding it in like that originally anyways. So I'm here by myself today, so I think I'm just gonna push it right over, let it fall onto some plywood, and then winch it onto the trailer. I'll check out the one back here quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give this guy a call. Started getting dark when we were here last night too, so kind of just rushed out of here. Left my plywood sitting here. This ice has melted quite a bit just since yesterday. It was pretty much wedged in there yesterday. So go ahead and see if I can't get these guys to move this freaking car. I got my head mount for my GoPro, so I'll probably put that on and film as I'm doing it. I'll update you in a little bit. Almost forgot about showing you guys the weight of the 4 items. It's pretty much just the 4 pieces. There was a couple other chunks of metal in there, but couldn't get any video at the scrapyard because the machine was standing, like the guys were standing around and the machine was watching me, so they don't like it when I film inside the scrapyard. Throw these couple pieces into the truck, and then I'll turn the truck around and start winching this thing. Once I turn the truck around, I'll get my head mount, set it all up. I'll update you then. Plywood on the ramps. Because of all this mesh, stuff really likes to get stuck. Having to stay away from this fucking car. It's going. Just have to go nice and slow, work each side back and forth. See, that's how it's supposed to work. Yeah, I guess I'll just slide it to the side. Should be able to fit the other one beside it, so maybe times am I gonna do that? Just one of those days. I think that's far enough. Top side's the light side, so managed to move the light side. Hopefully that's enough space to get the winch down. I have to stand this up on its side actually. One down, just one to go. Just one in the front. Hopefully we got enough battery power to get it on there. Yeah, I gotta turn this off. Still getting used to using one eye, so not really an excuse, but bear with me. Just gonna put it on an angle. I think that's about good. Yep, that's good enough. Crazy. The dog doesn't even care. Almost just got hit by a piece of wood. Alright, let's just go for it. Push this thing over. Not gonna get caught up on anything. So that's what it looks like underneath the gas pump. The other machines were pretty much stripped out. Most of the circuit boards and stuff like that even were taken out of the inside, so. I'm not even gonna bother taking these hoses off. They took the last three where it had hose on them. Like this one had a hose on it, so let's see if they'll take it again. high, so I gotta be careful. Slide it onto its side again. Hopefully this owner doesn't get all mad filming and complain to the guy that sent me here. Missed the scrapyard, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe just keep the trailer attached to the truck for the night again, and then go in the morning.